Hello again, Mirabel. It's Cargojet 992. Cleared the ILS for runway 06.
992, Mirabel Radio, hello again. Roger, runway 06. Active runway 24, wind 20 at 6, altimeter 3003. Traffic downwind 24, system 172, touch and go.
3003, check. You got someone on 24 for Cargojet 992.
992, the Cessna is on the overshoot, and we'll be clearing the runway access shortly, wind 20 at 5.
Thank you very much for all that. We are now Hermes final for runway 06. Negative contact on the Cessna.
No conflict, sir. We'll be in the crosswind. No conflict.
And Cessna on the go around. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Well, thank you very much. Cargojet 992, contact my colleague 121.8 exiting on Bravo 5.
Going in on Bravo 5, Cargojet 992.
That's 5908, holding short of the runway. Contact Mirabel Radio on 119.1.
598.
Just the 598 Mirabel Radio, good day. Request you continue to hold. Traffic just lifting off runway 24, remaining in the right-hand pattern, Cessna 172. And short final, simulation engine failure, Cessna 152, they'll be exiting Bravo 4.
Here we check, and we have the traffic visual.
You're holding?
We're holding short.
598 Mirabel Radio, you can line up and wait, runway 06. Traffic is on the runway, they'll be exiting Bravo 4 in about 20 seconds.
598 is going to position 06.
Just remember, like as you mentioned, as you're coming in there are lots of little birds around the runway.
That's affirmative.
Foxtrot X-ray Mirabel radio. Just be advised the 757 is lining up at the other end.
Traffic inside Papa Park X-ray.
Break, Cargojet 598 Mirabel radio. Your clearance is valid. Runway 06. Contact Montreal departures on 12465 airborne. Have a nice flight. Cessna's off runway.
2465 in the air. The validations received. Cargojet 598.